Hey, Chef Mike here. Today I've got the White Lightning Choco Challenge. I've never much been interested in challenges like this, but when I saw here, I don't know if you guys can see that, they donate 50 meals for every bar sold. So that's a partnership that they have with Feeding America. I'm all for the cause, and to be honest, when I saw that on their website, I didn't even think twice. I bought it. I'll endure the pain. I'll do my part. Also, I think it's going to be kind of fun. So, let's jump right in. Oh my god. White Lightning Choco Challenge. Stupid spicy. Check out this intro here. You must be insane to consume this pain. Probably. Last chance to turn back. I'm not turning back. Kind of a small little bar. Not sure what I was expecting with a big old box like this, but here goes. So this is 12 pepper blend combined with white chocolate. And not really even white anymore with all of that pepper in there. Should I one bite it? Should I do a couple of bites? I'm just gonna kind of get it over with. Here goes. Yeah, it's hot. It's really hot. The chocolate really coats your mouth. We're gonna get some tears. A little bit. Well, that's it. Doing my part. And some hunger. You guys do it too. Subscribe. Buy one of these. And hunger. Oh my god. Pretty good though. Really hot. Really good. Ignore the tears. These are tears of joy. Go get your own. See you guys next time. Holy hell.